Hey guys, today is what the 19th of March 2026. So I seen Lao MaMa sausages on TikTok. Her phone number is right there. And we had to get it to try it out. And I forgot what this is called, but it's for sticky rice, I think. And dip it. Man, it smells good. Yes, it smells good. Look at that.
So we're doing a full review of the sausages.
She got a regular flavor too. I think that's not spicy, but man, look at that, y'all.
Oh, that's
First bite.
I'm going in with the pepper.
Damn! Damn! Woo! That's yo. Oh. Let me try this. Hold on. Try this sauce. Oh yeah. It was good.
I like the pepper. Pepper's good.
Yo,
It's not too spicy.
I'm gonna order some more. This is good. It was worth it. I don't know how I landed on her TikTok,
But what's the price on these?
I forgot. I think it was like $14 for a pack of 5.
Okay.
Go check her out, Lao MaMa,
On TikTok.
or Facebook. Phone number 661-808-9904. Man, it's good. It's good. Sticky rice, that pepper, sausage, man. A lot of flavor. Lots of flavor.
What's the ingredients that's in the sausages?
I don't know, but it's good.
Wanted to do review, but it doesn't have. You don't have any information.
She gonna tell you her secret?
Well, she still has to put ingredients
There's
of
pepper
what's
in
in
there.
there.
How about that? What do you taste? I taste lemongrass.
It's not as spicy as I thought it would be. Because I can't take spice, but
very lemongrassy. I like it. It kind of tastes like la sausage.
Lao sausage.
Yeah, like la. Take a bite and think about it.
Hold on, I got my beef and pork in my mouth.
Think about it. Oh, we make some pork too. Man.
Does it have a hint of sweetness in there?
It tastes like la. Seriously.
Let me wash my mouth down. Hold on.
Seriously, it does taste like la. Let me see.
I'll just grab me out.
Yeah, it tastes like la. Right? In a way.
I taste the lemongrass. There's a lot of lemongrass in it. Like a lot of flavor of lemongrass.
There's like a couple of flavors mixed together. It's really good though.
To me, it feels like it's sweet, but I don't know, it's doable.
It's good though.
It's not too spicy.
Definitely ordering more.
It's good. It's good, Mama.
Damn, it's good. Shut it off. I'm gonna enjoy my food.